the health benefits of drinking apple cider vinegar and baking soda daily, and a simple recipe to use at home. 1. Apple cider vinegar and baking soda are two of the most powerful natural medicines in the world. Apple cider vinegar was used by the ancient Egyptians as an antimicrobial agent, dating back approximately 8,000 years. In ancient Greece, apple cider vinegar was not only prescribed but also highly regarded as a healing elixir. 2. Ancient civilizations used baking soda as soap and later discovered its medicinal benefits when consumed with water. 3. Consuming a blend of baking soda and apple cider vinegar diluted in water before meals on a daily basis can alleviate various bodily issues and help achieve a healthier body weight. 4. These readily available ingredients can be found in stores worldwide and enhance the body's innate healing capabilities. Let's take a look at the recipe. You will need 1 tablespoon of raw apple cider vinegar, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 cup warm water, 250 milliliters. Method. Combine the ingredients in a mug, ensuring thorough mixing. Consume this mixture on an empty stomach twice daily, at least an hour before meals. If desired, a small amount of raw honey or lemon juice can be included to enhance the flavor of the mixture. 5. This beverage provides an energy boost and enhances the body's digestion process for more efficient food breakdown. As a result, the body starts absorbing a greater quantity of nutrients, leading to enhanced overall health. 6. By purifying the kidneys, it serves as a preventive and therapeutic measure against urinary infections. Maintaining kidney health is crucial as it aids in eliminating toxins absorbed from prescription drugs and unhealthy foods. 7. The presence of sulfur in the mixture effectively lowers the risk of developing gallbladder, liver, or kidney stones, promoting a healthier condition. 8. By eliminating excess fluids from the body, it alleviates pressure points in the muscles and joints that may be causing discomfort. Individuals dealing with arthritis and joint pain can greatly benefit from this solution. 9. The readily absorbable vitamin A present in this beverage enhances eye health by alleviating dryness, also protecting the eyes from infections such as keratitis. 10. Baking soda effectively addresses painful stomach acid issues, while apple cider vinegar supplies enzymes that aid in stomach healing and the regulation of acidity in the long run. These methods can effectively address conditions such as GERD, acid reflux, heartburn, and indigestion. 11. Frequently, our bodies become acidic as a result of consuming unhealthy foods and beverages. This tonic enhances hydration, thereby improving the body's acid-alkaline balance. Skin issues like acne, dryness, and dermatitis are effectively improved by this tonic. 12. Acidity in the body often serves as a trigger for allergies.
Regular consumption of this tonic may decrease the likelihood of experiencing hay fever, skin allergies like urticaria hives, and various other allergic reactions. 13. There are numerous reports of individuals utilizing baking soda to treat and alleviate cancer symptoms. Many argue that this approach has exhibited a deceleration in tumor growth rate and can be utilized in conjunction with conventional cancer treatments. 14. The utilization of raw apple cider vinegar is crucial as it contains a crucial component called mother. Mother refers to the strands of protein, enzymes, and beneficial bacteria present in the vinegar, which can sometimes resemble cobwebs.
15. Baking soda, also recognized as bicarbonate of soda, is a fine white powder. When making a purchase, it is essential to acquire baking soda specifically and not baking powder, as these are distinct products. Baking powder includes additional ingredients that are unnecessary for this natural remedy. 16. Consistently consuming this natural remedy aids in combating sore throats, colds, flu, coughs, congestion, and sinus infections. It effectively eliminates phlegm and mucus, promoting the clearance of airways and facilitating faster healing during infections. 17. The abundant minerals in this blend assist in preventing muscle cramps and enhance dental health by fortifying the teeth and gums. 18. Weight loss is a frequently observed outcome resulting from the consumption of this specific health tonic. After a period of 3 months or more of consumption, the body initiates a natural stabilization of its fat levels. 19. The inclusion of apple cider vinegar in the mixture enhances heart health by reducing levels of LDL cholesterol and assisting in the removal of arterial plaque. 20. If the taste is not to your liking, you can omit the water and consume this mixture from a shot glass. Be sure to eat a piece of fruit straight after to remove the bitter taste. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated and remember to subscribe. for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth and happiness.